Welcome to week 2 of a weekly series where I bet 20,000 satoshis of Bitcoin using the Ember app on 3 NFL games that I think that are most guaranteed to win. I'll show my current stats from week to week. If you can't tell, I went undefeated 4-0. And the best thing about this is there's absolutely zero investment. So if you're interested in getting into these free sports predictions, please use the Ember app that I've linked in the description. And so far, I'm 4-0 with 31,421 satoshis won. And at Bitcoin's current price, that comes out to $35.05. Not bad, right? Anyways, my first pick is the Baltimore Ravens over the Cleveland Browns. The Ravens just lost a heartbreaking game to the Buffalo Bills in a very, very entertaining game in my opinion. But they're going to be really hungry to not go 0-2, and I don't think Cleveland has the offense to keep up with the Derrick Henry-Lamar Jackson combo. It's just too good. And in my opinion, this is the most obvious pick of the week, which is why the odds are so bad. I'm betting 5,000 sats to win 5,700, but I'll take it. My next pick is the Detroit Lions over the Chicago Bears. Also like the Ravens, the Lions were predicted to be one of the top teams this season, and they're going to look to avoid starting 0-2. On the other hand, the Chicago Bears just gave up a game-winning touchdown to a rookie quarterback, and I just don't think they have a chance against Detroit's high-flying offense. And the odds are a little better for this game. I bet 5,000 sats to win 7,050 sats. And in my third game, I'm choosing the LA Rams over the Tennessee Titans. When I was watching the Broncos-Titans game last week, the only reason the Titans scored any points is because the Broncos just kept turning the ball over with unforced errors. The Rams have a solid team with a good pass rush, a veteran quarterback, and good wide receivers. I don't see how the Titans score enough to win. And betting on the Rams is the same odds as betting on the Lions. For 5,000 sats, I'll win 7,050. Which makes my parlay the Ravens, the Rams, and the Lions, betting 5,000 sats to win 11,300. And if I win my parlay, that means I won all 4 of my bets again, giving me over 30,000 satoshis. For legal purposes, I do have to say that these videos are for entertainment purposes only. And while Ember does allow you to make sports predictions without you putting in any of your real money, I do have to point this out. But I'll be back for week 3 giving you updated stats and new picks. Let's hope we go 4-0 again. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.